Film camera emoji, B-roll, surgeon operating robot arm plus AI screen interface. Imagine lying on an operating table. But instead of a human, it's an AI-powered robot performing your surgery. Scary? Or exciting? In 2025, this is no longer science fiction, it's happening right now. Film camera emoji, B-roll, futuristic hospitals, robotic arms, surgeons using AI dashboards. Welcome to Technova AI, where we bring you real, cutting-edge stories from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we explore one of the most controversial and mind-blowing topics: will AI really replace human surgeons? Let's dive in. Section 1, Da Vinci Surgical System, Film camera emoji. The Da Vinci Surgical System is the world's most advanced surgical robot. Controlled by a surgeon but assisted by AI, it can make incisions with precision no human hand can match. Over 10 million surgeries have been performed using it, from prostate to cardiac operations, with fewer complications and faster recovery times. Section 2, DeepMind in Diagnostics. Google's DeepMind is diagnosing eye diseases with 95% accuracy, even spotting signs that human doctors miss. AI is no longer just assisting, it's leading. It's been proven in trials that AI can detect certain cancers earlier than traditional methods. Section 3, Proximie, Remote AI Surgery. With Proximie, surgeons across the world can now guide operations in real time using augmented reality and AI, allowing rural hospitals to perform complex surgeries with help from top experts miles away. Section 4, HeartFlow, Predictive AI. HeartFlow is a groundbreaking AI that creates a 3D model of your arteries using simple CT scans, predicting heart disease risks before symptoms even appear. This means surgeries and treatments are faster, cheaper, and more precise. Section 5, what does this mean for surgeons? So, is the surgeon obsolete? Not quite. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It assists, guides, and enhances the skills of doctors, making surgery more accessible and accurate than ever. Outro, final thoughts. Film camera emoji, futuristic hospital fades into Technova AI branding. Will we one day trust a robot with our life? That future may be closer than you think. Subscribe to Technova AI for more game-changing insights every week, and let us know in the comments, would you trust AI to perform your surgery? Hit that like button if you believe AI can save lives, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future breakthrough.